Ahead of the 8th round of talks scheduled for tomorrow, farmers have threatened to intensify their stirs. The farmers have announced a tractor march in Delhi after Republic Day parade on 26th of January if their demands are not met in time. There are nationwide rallies that are planned between 6th and 20th of this month. Farmers have also decided to burn copies of the farm laws on Makar Sankranti to mark Kisan Sankalp Divas. On 18th of January, they are going to be observing Mahila Kisan Divas to underline the role of women farmers. Meanwhile, Rajasthan Chief Minister, along with state ministers and Congress workers, is going to be holding a dharna today at Shaheed Smarak in Jaipur from 5th of Jan. The Congress party is going to be reaching out to the farmers in the state to highlight the flaws in farm laws. The Modi government expressed hope that a solution is going to be arrived at in tomorrow's talks and that farmers are going to end their agitation. The last round of talks were held on 30th of December, during which an agreement was reached upon on 2 of the 4 demands raised by the farmers.
If our demands are not conceded on the 4th, then on 6th we plan a march on KMP Expressway. We might move forward from Shahjahanpur. On the 6th, from the 6th to the 20th, for one fortnight, we would have a nationwide campaign for awareness across the country. On 13th, we would celebrate Lodi Sankranti all over the country by burning these bills. 18th is the day for women farmers. 23rd is the day to go to Governor's Raj Bhavans and to mark farmers' protest by organizing Azad Hind Kisan Divas. So we want to deepen the movement, we want to expand the movement.
हमने तय किया है कि 26 जनवरी इस बार का जो गणतंत्र दिवस है, पूरे देश में किसान अपनी अगुवाई के तले उस गणतंत्र दिवस को अपने ट्रैक्टर और व्हीकल परेड करके उसको मनाएंगे और 26 को दिल्ली में हमारे ट्रैक्टर फ्लैग्स लगा के दिल्ली में परेड करेंगे.
While the farmers have threatened to escalate stir if the demands are not met, Centre says it is hopeful that in the next round of talks they are going to be finding a conclusion and listen in.
किसानों के प्रति राजनाथ जी ने जिस तरह से अपनी भावना प्रकट की, वो सरकार की भावना है. खुद प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने भी बार बार किसान और कृषि के बारे में अपनी दृष्टि को स्पष्ट किया है. हम तो आशावान हैं कि किसानों की समस्याओं में निजात होगा, उसमें समाधान होगा और समाधान के साथ यह आंदोलन भी समाप्त होगा.
Kamalji Sandhu now joins us for the very latest. Kamalji, this is going on and on. The centre versus farmers. There's no plausible resolution that is in sight. And now the farmers say that in the month of January, this month, they are going to be intensifying their protests if the demands are not met. If you could just walk our viewers with where do things stand? And is there any kind of a plausible resolution on the anvil?
Chetty, let me tell you, December 30th was a deciding factor because remember, at least 2 of the demands were met by the government. The farmers had wanted, but these were 2 minor ones. The major hurdles are still to go. The 2 ones accepted was to decriminalize burning of parali, which is the stubble burning. The other is the concession on the electricity bit. The other main ones are still a written guarantee on minimum support price. That be made part of the law, the other one being the repeal of the 3 farm laws. So clearly these are big hurdles which both the government and the farmers need to go through, and they've already said that they will eventually intensify their protests, culminating on the 26th of January, which is the Republic Day, having a symbolic march on their tractors, sustaining that pressure. What is also significant is whether the government is willing to really concede, because these are 2 sticky points and these are the ones which already had created hurdle. The government is not against bringing in amendments. They are willing to concede to the farmers, but they don't want to repeal the laws and saying these are limited to Punjab and Haryana. We've also seen a politics of a separate level happening in Punjab, with Punjab Chief Minister hitting out at the governor, especially in regards with mobile phone towers. So a whole lot of politics really happening. But the fact is that this doesn't seem to be much of a solution. What is the government going to bring new to the table, especially in regards to farmers who are adamant, are the key concerns.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Kamaljeet, for joining us with the very latest.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.